Hello losers, today, we will discover the levels of Hello World. Level 1, Your Shell. Level 2, Python. Fairly easy so far. Level 3, JavaScript, still nothing difficult.
Level 4, the C language. Now things may seem difficult for you normies.
Level 5, C++, now the fun begins, ha ha ha.
Level 6, Assembly for the x86 instruction set. Autism is required to understand what is happening here. Level 7, the code is written in pure machine code in hexadecimal form. I am now speaking with the machine directly. This is a level no mortal would ever dare to reach, as machines scare us humans, but fear not, a machine does not have feelings, desires, and hatred, it only executes what it's told to do. In this case it's a simple hello, but perhaps it could be something much more sinister.